Whoever's cleaning your hard floors, do they just simply push the dirty water around? That's why I use the amazing new Hoover FloorMate Deluxe. It washes and dries all at the turn of a dial. Its twin tanks keep dirty water separate from clean water, while its spin scrub brushes safely scrub my floors, including the grout, leaving them deep down clean. And there's even a separate brush for gently cleaning my delicate wood floors, leaving dirt no place to hide. It also dries incredibly fast. Just look how much the FloorMate Deluxe has picked up. The new Hoover FloorMate Deluxe, the perfect cleaner for my hard floors.
Introducing a pet-friendly and multifunctional light and easy steam mop. It provides 3 steam levels for different floor surfaces, including tiles, laminate, hardwood floors, and more. Fill the tank with water, power it up, and it'll be ready in less than 30 seconds. Releasing 248 Fahrenheit of superheated steam, killing germs and tackling tough, sticky messes. With a 180-degree pivoting head and an extra long 20-foot power cord. The steam mop is lightweight and easy to carry. That's not all. It's also a detachable steam generator to use as a handheld steamer with additional cleaning accessories. The pinpoint nozzle helps clean dirty areas around corners and tight spaces.
Assembling the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is quick and easy. First, attach the steam mop handle to the main body. Then connect the Genius Mop head. And just like that, the steam mop is assembled. To remove the mop head, press the mop head release button. And to put together the spray pocket mop, simply insert the second handle into the lower pole connector, and then attach the Genius Mop head. That's all there is to it.